Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. Guys, do you see what's in front of me? This colorful spread and it's packed with flavor. This could only mean one thing, guys, that is gonna come out amazing. Today, I'm going to be making kuku and stew fish. Now, I know a lot of people like to make stew fish different ways. The way I like to make it is I like to fry it first and then I like to finish it off by tossing it in a tomato sauce. So let's begin. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by making a kuku. So to begin, I have a pot on medium heat here and I'm adding butter to it. Then I'm gonna add onion and garlic. And next we're gonna add the carrots. And we have okra. Give it a good mix and we're gonna allow the okra to break down. So about 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll get back to it. Now we're gonna add some sweet pepper. I just added some red sweet pepper just for color. And I have a mixture here of celery and shadow benny. Right. Guys, you see the color in this already? It looks yummy. And I just added that shadow benny, and you guys know I love shadow benny, so it smells amazing. So next we're gonna add some salt and black pepper. Right, so you can see the okra is nicely broken down and we're gonna add the liquid now. So I have coconut milk here. Now this is how I like to make my kuku. A lot of people, they just add water and the coconut milk, or you could just add coconut milk, but I like to give a mixture of coconut milk and full cream milk. So we're using Cuisine's full cream milk right now. So guys, this step you need to pay close attention because the cornmeal is going to react with the liquid and it's going to thicken up really fastly on you. So you need to have a whisk in hand and let's begin. So little by little, you're going to be whisking it. Right, so continue to mix it. And just at the end, I like to add at least 1 tablespoon of butter again. Just makes it nice and creamier and smooth. So I'm just whisking in the remaining of the butter. And then we're gonna put it to set. This looks really nice, guys. All right, so we're good here. And let's put it to set now. Okay guys, so we're gonna leave this to set for 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's firm to the touch. And we're gonna start with the fish. I have 3 pieces of white fish here, right? I just season it with salt, black pepper, a little garlic, shadow benny, and some lime zest. Now I'm gonna put it in the flour. So I just have Cuisine's flour here. Just gonna take a little bit. I'm actually gonna season the flour. So I'm adding salt, black pepper, and I love the smoky flavor of paprika, so I'm adding a little bit of paprika. All right. So you're just gonna mix this together. So you're gonna take your white fish and you're gonna coat it. Make sure every piece has the flour. So now that we've coated the fish, we're gonna pan fry it. Okay, next up guys is the sauce, right? So we're gonna start with our Cuisine oil, just about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we're gonna saute all the vegetables. I have onion, I have sweet peppers, we have tomatoes, pimento, and I have a mixture of the celery and shadow benny again. Next, we're going to ready tomato paste. I have about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste here. And I'm adding brown sugar to it, just to balance out with the tartness of the tomato paste. Right, so I have bruku here, or natto, some people like to call it. Right, this is actually a really strong Caribbean flavor. And next we're going to add the liquid, is water. We're going to add salt and pepper. Right, so next just place the fish and just gently toss everything together. So here we have it, guys. Remember that colorful spread we had in the beginning? Look how beautiful this looks. Now it's time to taste. That just tastes amazing. The kuku is really soft, but it's packed with all the flavor from all the vegetables that we put into it. And I love that we have this festive kuku going on with all the colors. And the fish is really nicely seasoned, as well as it's not too soft. Like I said in the beginning, that's why I like to fry it first and then toss it in the sauce, because it's not too soft, you know. And I love all the additional vegetables in it. It's really good. So if you have a special way of making kuku and stew fish, let me know down in the comments below. As always, the full recipes on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Until later, guys. Bye!